be a friend code of conduct.
Okay.
Now kokwa enu 66 minutes me from nyire enwie. E bia de bia wonye obi a dia na enyan aye.
Yeah.
But when the next 10 minutes I think the document we me hu lu post nkiti bo ma me no be chebi. Sorry. But me believe says the ministers need this one. On be she John Dramani Mahama nyonyam ama Ghana nya so mfaso.
Yeah.
Now kokwa all launch no kan bibi or say some of you don't have this muhu e bia bo yembe shemo. Tinasa kokwa hwe kra na in drafting the code of conduct, and most of the appointees didn't know the details.
Right.
I'm pick key areas we know better. One, ministers' conduct. Our conduct we can say ministers ni suni ne ban ha. Or say, seek to advance the common good of communities he or she serve. Recognize that public office involves public trust. Or say, public office involves public trust. It's in your corruption perception index. You can't say corruption index. Corruption what? Perception. It was what a public officer. And so making sure say bibi a wo ye bia no ene na gididie ba wadwuma na wo ye ni ma na be gididie free ho.
Right.
Etu ye minister na appointed akwa ka say most of the documents are referencing ministers. But to take President Mahama speech, it applies all appointees. Including one over Kumasi Abatoaso, including one with that CEO Biano and a BB. Munina Mosca. Be a body, and then you obey on Honor public trial Nibuaba office now.
Sure.
Or say, ensure that its official position of official power is not used improperly, it's not used improperly to his personal advantage. And fact to me now when you boom man for him, and find any day in Fasobe Brown Kwa, Debbie. President Mahama said yes, sir. Or see, ensure that any conflict between his personal interest and public interest is resolved in the favor of the public interest. Who could do be a interest? Any of mine, Diana, more mine, the any supreme. Or say, act honestly and in a manner that maintains government's integrity, objectivity, and impartiality. Or see, be a wee be anima or bino any unyam energy. Dinukre, canocre. Or say, perform his function and manage his personal affairs in a manner that stands the closest public scrutiny. I said, "Yeah, we be no Ghana for become wasem to we be a she." I kwa me the way be see man. Where your minister's conduct 66 pages.
Sure.
Again, or say statement of ethics. Or say there ba ko mo nyes me pick signals. I say, no. Be frank and honest in official dealings with his or her colleagues. Kanokre. Mahama who say ministers they be chantro appointees no. Ade anya no kre no akoka. Or say dinokre. Or say protect sensitive government information as required by his or her oath of secrecy. Ade Mr. President menyo muliki kakra mayen journalists. According to my sources. Say statement of ethics and your munya no what time into me bobum to krama.
Sure.
Again, or be civility, courtesy and restraint. Akwa civility we can say ebu civil. Any be. Thank you. Na courtesy so I think obuo kwan. And a restraint obetimi aso. Or say be humble. Bro wase. Na minister na wo ye no bia be ye bida.
Right.
Office no nyonkwa na betena. Sana na pono energy minister. Mreka kra twam ye ene John Abdullah gina pona wo ho. Ebi obi foforo na beba. Ejo say we minister. They then brewo ho ase.
Sure.
Or say be willing to give and accept constructive criticism and advice from colleagues and the general public. Ghana formal feedback tie. Na mo na tumi no e from ho. Or say use decorous language even in the face of provocation. We minister Facebook, Twitter, obi akase mi anya wo dekora na wo try chro na fe bu ebra de na wo chro no ho. Decorous language, ka decorous language kasa enwote. Na kasa free tan na wo ka kire Ghana ni no. Do say wo bu afudie, ba hwe wo kasa yi.
Sure.
Or say take reasonable care to maintain the integrity of the ministerial office. Office na what no mabuo mra ho. Sa na wo ka.
Yeah.
Or say avoid offensive and provocative language or conduct. Kasa ntwie ne kasa abasa no ye minister ate and only a courtesy. Owie na akwakwa ma menya hama na be o say gifts. Ada akwakwa mesro so ne me be yabom. O say gifts. So kaya President Mahama launch wie ya no say obi ama me card me enu bi. because of my Manasi for the you know car no. It's Ghana for 2 cars in the knee. Sure. What kind gift na President Mahama recognize say you are a gift be no one year. Send a wrong signal.
Sure.
Into budget by Ghana for car na mji ni me dia kogu pool nim mo fa nya dwuma.
Yeah.
Ghana ban no fa nya dwuma. Me fa nkosi me fi.
And one.
Akokwa me be kind gift na ma. See where they need how important. Or say to avoid the creation or appearance of an obligation, gift in cash or kind are not to be solicited or accepted from commercial enterprises or any other organizations. Or say, send your being for sika may say waji bibi or won't ye bibi manono. Adi a friend a gift so be chow adi any sikano. Don't solicit that kokwa, mamma gift to the enko yesa. Say, oh, a kokwa mammy bibi and yes. Or you know say. An exemption to this rule is the acceptance of gifts presented during official visit to an institution. See, or say, those some say and consider the gift there from microphone, every money about what you may be. Now, our gift no they mount here, but shall say, I didn't say we are crab man nintino. But exception be oh, they say, we are minister of education. Oba Kenwas no mubedin katahu. Oba no ma ufugu. Ayo official visit, or say, I know you. I'll say an exception to this rule, the acceptance of gifts presented during an official visit to an institution.
Sure.
Can you say, shall I say, so education means about your cho fugu.
Yeah.
Your cho coat, or say I don't do it to me. But to say it, the exchange of gifts during official government visit is an accepted practice. Now the President Mahama recognizes as our official gifts in the day, I accepted.
Sure.
And refusing such a gift, may cause offense. Hey, Papa, I don't know where you should be. President Mahama said, I accepted practice. Or say such gifts are considered tokens of the office rather than personal endorsement for the minister. Or say such gifts in the more official. Or no President Mahama no more drafted code who say a gift to your office, not to you endorse you as the person who occupies the office. So the gift in my office.
So what if you know be
yes,
it's your
office.
Yeah.
Or say hey. The minister must submit any gift received in Ghana or from overseas to the Secretary of Cabinet for appropriate display. It would be a Ghana or Secretary of Cabinet and Bonamania. Say na me koje. Infantuja.
Sure.
B. Where the minister wishes to retain gifts received, he may do so only if the estimated value does not exceed 20,000. Fuguna ya de chair no. Opesa wo fa. And yes, a fuguna na give to be a demand a bro 20,000 Ghana cedis.
Sure.
A bro want to be in fact.
Sure. Right.
See, when the estimated value of the gift is more than 20,000, the minister may retain the gift during office, but must declare it to cabinet in the interest of transparency. And the answer crana, they are no better me a 20,000. This is a cabinet now approval. How a good policy. You go by this, they are good.
Sure.
Now again, I say, upon leaving office, the minister must relinquish to cabinet any gift estimated to be worth over 20,000, unless the minister obtains the express permission of the president to retain it. Or say, want to me in fact 20,000, you know. But our officer, say gift in the bros, I bet him the yajuma. Say who you know kwa, so bet me a fadia. And this a precedent in the man approve as a fa and son of a fa. Agwa we unim lupo abi hu the president na ejirigogo president oni minister metu ejirigogo afa but on paper there a good policy
sure
etinya mama ya cut off nyina ne say wo ko sresre gift a free company bi oni abandon kita ho commercial enterprise yes sure by the minister now for official duty and appointee bi na eche obibi age ba wo ba be catch the secretary of cabinet so there less than 20,000 there opa obetimi afa.
Yeah.
Say about 20,000 there be untimi mfa. So be fa. At this a time I wo office na betim there adwuma. Say wo free office na pesa wo fa na kra there. At this a president among express permission.
Sure.
Asana wafa.
Sure.
Now the last one on this say hampers. We am do basic hampers.
Right.
We just had it me to no the general crowd report abem. Hampers. Or say ministers must not use government funds to purchase gifts. Including hampers, whether during festive occasions or at other times, unless the gifts are for selected members of their staff in reward of excellence exhibited in the workplace or at the end of service benefits.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Sure.
Akoko say, "Emfa bensi kan koto hampers." So beto hampers so dia this what they did jumayefo. So inherent in this provision is that the government recognizes that state institutions it is the human beings in the state institutions.
Sure.
It is a whole door they are fine.
Reward performance.
Beautiful.
Sure.
It's the only time a minister bet me do a to cut on hampers or done the workers assay. And you say be an a girlfriend be Nhyira be there be workers and a year to man or dormacy.
A hampers ye be the meet a hampers.
Agwa
Hamper cake.
So omu this wa a beautiful with a Ghana then crash and
you may say whisker.
Agwa for to say for the avoidance of doubt, government funds includes IGF. It's a Mama is smart.
They don't go back.
I know who said Omuya.
Yeah.
You go bebe.
It's
IGF the crab you say for government entities must distribute hampers as part of their corporate commercial policy. Express written permission for the budgeted expenditure must be received from the office of the chief of staff. In the account, Papa Julius as well Simon. Okoso hamper. Me do be I'm say 66.
Right.
Me who say interest or on Facebook or once a like and a love neighbor. Ba kwakwa time no.
Enyasem get.
It me do be next week my yi bia ma. Me san ya another batch amount.
Sure.
Me akoso sa.
But as Eugene say to the fact checker, thank you for that fantastic work.